when everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night. It's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball
In this video, I am collaborating with LilySilk. Let's get it done like a boss. The boss is back. Welcome back, family. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda/the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and smash the bell icon for every time the boss uploads a new video. Welcome to my winter wonderland, decoding ideas with the boss. Happy holidays from my family to yours. This Christmas tree is so beautiful and it looks so natural. That's why I didn't add too many ornaments, because I don't want to hide the beauty of the tree. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check the description box for the links. Today's video, I am collaborating with LilySilk. The link will be in my description box down below, and the discount code by using Linda12 to save 12% off on your order. LilySilk sent me 3 products, a blouse, 2 pillowcases, 1 hair cap. First of all, guys, let's talk about the packaging. As you guys can see, everything came in very well packaged. If you want to give someone a gift for this Christmas, LilySilk is a great website to go find a perfect gift. I love the boxes, they are so pretty. Silk pillowcases make your skin less prone to sleep wrinkles. It helps your skin retain natural moisture and skincare, unlike cotton, which is more absorbent. The silk pillowcases helps less hair breakage. It's also good for allergies and very breathable. Their blouses are very beautiful, very well made, high quality. By wearing this beautiful blouse, you are ready for any occasion. A romantic dinner with your husband, fiancé, business meeting. This blouse makes me feel I am in Dubai, baby. It's so beautiful. I love it. For the products, they only use 100% natural premium materials like Mongolia cashmere. They produce items made from natural fibers instead of synthetic. They have tons of items to choose from, and you don't have to worry about wrapping up the gift because they already did it for you. LilySilk is where you can find all kinds of silk quality products, such as blouses, pajamas, pillowcases, bedding sets, and more. La vidéo d'aujourd'hui, je collabore avec LilySilk. Le lien sera dans ma boîte de description et un 12% de réduction sur votre commande. LilySilk m'a renvoyé 3 produits. Parlons d'abord de leurs emballages. Comme vous pouvez le voir, tout est arrivé bien emballé. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. Je te souhaite une joyeuse Noël de ma famille à la vôtre. Bonjour, bonsoir, amis moyo. Comment nous y est, c'est Linda. Je tiens à montrer la carreau avec une nouvelle vidéo. Vidéo aujourd'hui, je viens parler de belles petits chemisiers ça qui sont moyens. C'est une compagnie qui voit le bon moi. Li voit le bon moi ensemble avec 2 têtes oreillers avec un bonnet pour me mettre dans tête moi pour protéger cheveux. Si vous avez commandé pour faire un cadeau pour fête Noël là, eh bien, je mets le lien pour dans la description box là pour capable commander. Et puis, vous gagnez 12% de rabais avant de placer commande ça, OK? Merci un pile pour support. On a pour dans un prochain épisode encore. C'était amis ou Linda/the boss. Joyeux Noël, de famille Pam à famille Pau. This blouse make you look luxurious, expensive. Love it. I love the products. Thank you so much, LilySilk, for collaborating with me in this video. The link will be in my description box down below, and don't forget to use Linda12 to save 12% off on your order. Let's get it done like a boss.
up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home, yeah. Yes, I'm coming home to you. When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas. A winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.